morning. Welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, Piedmont Triad International Airport, home of Carolina Aircraft. My name's Austin, and today I want to introduce November 136 Papa Charlie, a 1984 A36 Bonanza. In 1984, the Bonanza had the new upgraded avionics panel and the IO 550 300 horsepower from Continental. Let's take a further look. .136 Papa Charlie has 3,640 hours total airframe time and an 1,151 hours on this Continental IO 550 with 300 horsepower. It also has the Gammy fuel injectors. This aircraft is also equipped with a 3-blade Macaulay prop, which is in really good condition. .136 Papa Charlie has factory air conditioning. It has the VGs, which decrease your stall speed, increase your short field performance. You have 74 gallons of fuel on board. That'll give you about 4 hours in flight with reserves, and you should be cruising at about 170 to 75 knots and get about 16.5 gallons per hour fuel burn. The paint on .136 Papa Charlie is in excellent condition. The exterior is moondust overall with burgundy red and castle tan stripes. One of the things people love the most about the A36 are the large double cargo doors. This aircraft is currently set up in the club seating configuration, but if everybody wants to face forward, these seats can be turned around. It has a 3,650 pound useful load from the factory, and if you want these seats to flip up, you simply do this, or you can pull a pin and remove them with no tools necessary. Take a look at the interior of this Bonanza. The seats, the sidewalls, and the headliner. It also has 6-place shoulder harnesses and 6-place Unicom. This A36 has an 1,133 pound useful load, but that can be increased due to the Vortex generators. .136 Papa Charlie has a nice avionics panel with fully coupled Autopilot and some Garmin avionics. This aircraft has the S-TEC 6-2 Autopilot with flight director, slaved HSI with altitude Preselect, yaw damp, and GPSS steering. It will shoot a fully coupled ILS and GPS approach. It has the Garmin GNS 530W with WAAS and the Garmin GTX 345 transponder with subscription-free ADS-B weather and traffic. In addition, it has the Avidyne TAS 600 active traffic and WX10 Stormscope. Other features include the Shannon 3/8" windshield, factory air conditioning, intercom system, USB ports, cabin door steward for front door, factory internal corrosion proofing, dual control wheels, LED landing and taxi lights, strobe lights, and 3 light system, JPI EDM 700 graphic engine monitor, electric elevator trim, and shoulder harnesses on all 6 seats. So if you're in the market for a really nice A36 Bonanza, come check out .136 Papa Charlie. With factory air conditioning, the Continental IO 550 engine, and the Vortex generators, this is a really nice airplane. From Carolina Aircraft, I'm Austin Farnham. Have a really good day.